Like, I don't have a degree. I don't have any fancy skills. I am a homeschooling mother who was door dashing. So I'm going to share with you. And no, I'm going to tell you right now, it is not surveys and games and apps and silly little things like that. That is not what I'm going to share with you tonight. Okay. So here, this is what I posted inside of the community that I'm a part of. It says I had a 1400, and then for a total of 8,491. I said, somebody pinch me. I have never in my entire life ever, and I mean ever, made this much in a month. And I am just, it's crazy to me. So just so that you can see, I went into my Stripe and then I screenshot this so you can actually see 8,491. And you're probably wondering, well, what did you do to actually make that money? So that's what I'm going to share with you tonight. I'm going to tell you, as a prior business owner, I've actually had a thrift store, and this is not something that I um, brought into this. I didn't have a degree. I didn't have experience. I didn't have a prior skills that I brought into what I do now. Even as a small business owner, I'm going to tell you the skills that I've learned now would have helped me back with the thrift store. But I'm just sharing that to share that I have been in business before. I was also a bookkeeper, but my skills, unfortunately, are outdated, which is a strange thing to say, but it's true. I used to work on a desktop with software, and apparently that's not available anymore. So, anyways, I won't go into all the details of that, but I will tell you this, that I even have, I'll share this quickly. I even actually have two Etsy shops. I do not put anything new on there. I have not put anything new on there. I'm kind of torn by it because I actually love creating things, but it wasn't profitable. And here's another example of me creating stuff that's not profitable. I'm going to share with you what is profitable and what has brought me in $8,000 in this last month. Okay. I've actually made thousands of dollars, but that was my biggest month in the past. I've been doing this for 2 years. What happened? I'm going to tell you what happened right now. I was I was door dashing. Okay. We were blindsided back in 2022, and I won't go into details. You guys can figure that out, right? But we were blindsided, so I started to do the dash as a homeschooling mom, and I just kept praying. I was like, God, we need some way to bring in substantial. Um, I needed something real that I could do that would change our circumstances, and the dash, man, the dash wasn't enough. Okay. Let's be real. Um, we were working 40 plus hours. I was exhausted. I was tired, and I couldn't figure out what I could do. So I just started applying for things, thinking that I'm gonna have to get a 9 to 5, although I haven't had a 9 to 5 since I was 26. But I was like, what else am I gonna do? Right. So I just kept praying. And then the worst thing that could happen to a dasher happened to me. My transmission went, and I found myself without a vehicle and without a job. Now, if you're watching this right now and you know what it's like to lose a job, drop in the comments. You can drop in lost a job, or yeah, me too. Um, that is something that is it's very hard. Okay, as you lose a job, that most of the time that's people's like sole income, right? And I lost the truck and the job. So I'm going to take 2 seconds here and just show you this little, where is it? This little thing right here. If you're familiar with these, what do you call these things? I don't even know what you call them, but you can have your phone there and you can take a picture, and you actually will be able to get the free blueprint that I have. You'll see it also scrolling down here. So you can choose to like take a picture of it and then go that way, or you can do it down here, and you're going to get all the details on this. What I actually do now is it's a business. Okay. So you can do that wherever it is, that way or this way. Now, um, let me share with you what I do. Okay. What I do is I promote educational programs that I did not create. These are the educational programs, education, e-learning industry, and the e-learning industry is booming right now. And that's what I promote. And my typical day is basically creating content. Now, I'm not going to go into that today because I want to make this short, but I want you to see some of the people inside of our community sharing and posting inside. James posted yesterday. I went in the community and screenshot these today. Um, so he said, amazing $1,400 bundle pack sale on day one. I love this program. I just followed the 2-hour workflow on YouTube. An amazing action taker got started with me. You can do this. So this is people, moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas. Age is not a factor. And I just want to show you inside of this, like the people making comments are fellow members of our community. So this is Shirley, and Shirley, what did she say? 18 and 13 hours, 9 on the webinar, and 9 during breakfast. Good morning, July. The month is 9 hours old. I like what she says here. And I'm already in profit mode. Let's go. Absolutely love this automated business. The only thing I love more is sharing, and I don't remember what the rest of that is. I kind of cut that, but I will show you one more person, and then I will quickly show you inside. I don't want to make this too long, but Manuela had a 14 while watching Netflix. This is a lifestyle business, okay? I want you to understand this is built for lifestyle, for our lives. So let me quickly share with you. I will share with you what it looks like inside of our community quickly. This is our community. So you can see we're actually real. 60,000 of us inside of here. And here is the founder. I just wanted to let you see that quickly. And where is it? So it is a business in a box made for beginners. And what happened was I was scrolling on social media, and I'll tell you how I found it. Scrolling on social media like you are hanging out right now. And I'm on my phone. And this girl pops up talking about God, homeschooling, and making boatloads. And I scrolled past her. Well, I was wrong. I would have missed this very business that I've been doing for 2 years. Okay. And it changed our lives, and it gave me hope, and it gave me a future. And my future doesn't look like it used to. So if you're sitting there and you're trying to find a way to make money online, or you're trying and you're searching for how can I make money with digital products that we didn't even create, those digital products that I promote, I make 100% profit. 100% profit. Can you imagine waking up to this? Because these are the kinds of numbers that I see. That's how I hit 8,000. Okay. I have numbers like this. I have sales like this. That's 1,400 for one product. I have another one that's 9. I have another one that's 6. I have another one that's 3. And I have another one that's 1. This has enabled me to be at home with my kids as a homeschooling mom. So when I saw that girl again, I had asked her a couple questions. I said, hey, can I do this from home? I didn't know what it was. She said, yes. I said, do I need a degree? She was like, no. I said, okay. And do I have to be on a phone? Yes, you do, but not the way you're thinking. I don't have to answer a phone. I just get to scroll. I get to post and scroll, not like hello, 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 not like that. So I create content. Okay. I'm not going to break this down, but I am going to break it down for you. I will give you all the details in this next video that you can find right here. Make sure you smash the subscribe and grab that blueprint. Okay. Grab the blueprint. You can do it down here. Or again, I will quickly show you this where you can actually grab it over here in the corner. Just take a picture with your phone. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Be sure to grab that blueprint, and in the comments, do me a favor, drop down replay. Let me know if you're a mama or a dad who is in the, this is global, by the way. So wherever you are in the entire world, drop it down. Let me know where you're watching from.